Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Sarah. I'm student at Department of Mathematic Education, Class A, UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. My identity number is 1119017 In this video, I would like to show you how the sequence and series can solve our daily life problem. So, just stay tuned on this video.
The problem is Tina saved in a bank with a fixed difference in the increase in saving between months. In the first month, Tina saved 50,000. In the second month, 55,000. In the third month, 60,000, and so on. How sum of all much is Tina saving for 2 years? So, the problem that we have to solve are: first, can you predict the pattern of the increase in saving between months? Second, how many money must Tina save right at 2 years? And last, what is the sum of all much is Tina saving for 2 years? Okay, let's start to solve the problem. First, predict the pattern of the increase in saving between months. 50,000 for first month, 55,000 for second month, 60,000 for third month. We can analyze that from the first month to the second month is added by? Yes, 5,000. For the second month to the third month is also added by 5,000. So, we probably can predict the next month after 60,000 is? Yes, 65,000. This case is called sequence. A sequence or progression is an arrangement of any objects or a set of numbers in a particular order following by some rule. Rule in this case is added 5,000. Example of sequence is arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which next term obtained by adding its previous term with a number called difference. Geometric sequence is a sequence in which next term obtained by multiplying its previous term with a number called ratio. In this case is arithmetic sequence, cause this case is adding 5,000. After we know the pattern is with a difference of 5,000, then second, how much money must Tina saving right at 2 years? Pattern equal added 5,000. 2 years equal 2 times 12 months equals 25 months. 50,000 for first month, then 55,000, 60,000, 65,000, 70,000, 75,000, 80,000, 85,000, 90,000, 95,000, and so on. Into 25 months is 165,000. So, Tina must saving at 2 years is 165,000. This method can be used, but it takes a long time. So, the arithmetic sequence has a formula to make it easier. AN equals A plus N minus 1 times D, where AN is the many types you want to look for, A is first term, and D is different. In this case, AN is a 24, A is 50,000, because in this case, money saved in the first month is 50,000 and D is 5,000. Then, we directly enter the formula. A24 equals 50,000 plus 24 minus 1 times 5,000. A24 equals 50,000 plus 23 times 5,000. A24 equals 165,000. So, Tina was saving money 165,000 in the 24 months or in 2 years. After we know Tina was saving 165,000 in 2 years, and the last, what is the sum of how much is Tina saving for 2 years? This case sum of series. Series is the sum of all the terms in a sequence. So, 50,000 plus 55,000 plus 60,000 plus 65,000 plus 70,000 plus 75,000 plus 80,000 plus 85,000 and so on until 24 months. So, this method takes a long time. So, arithmetic series have a formula. Sn equal n over 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where Sn is sum of first n term, a is first term, d is different. In this case, S24 equals 24 over 2, 2 times 50,000 plus 24 minus 1 times 5,000. S24 equals 12 times 100 plus 23 times 5,000. S24 equals 2,580,000. So, the sum of how much is Tina saving for 2 years is 2,580,000. The above formula is more appropriate to use when we don't have AN or A24 because we already A24 or AN, so arithmetic series have another formula make it easier. The formula is Sn equals n over 2 times a plus an if an already. This case, S24 equals 24 over 2 times 50,000 plus A24. S24 equals 12,000 times 50,000 plus 165,000. S24 equals 2,580,000. So, the sum of how much is Tina saving for 2 years is 2,580,000.
It is easy, isn't it? I hope you can solve another problem like that easier after watch this video. So, that's all from me. Don't forget to always improve your skill. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.